Alright, so most of you have seen the Packout mount we got coming out for the Kawasaki Teryx. Today I'm just going to show you how it installs. It's real easy, just 4 bolts. Uses 4 existing bolts in the bed of the Teryx already. So, in the bed of the Teryx, you've got your 4 D-ring tire down points. So, first thing you got to do, 10mm socket, loosen up those 4 bolts. I already did that ahead of time. You take your bolts out. Take your D-rings out. These, you have the option to reuse them if you want to. The kit does come with some washers you can use, but if you want to use these instead of the washers, that is an option. I'll show you that a little bit more in a second. With those out of the way, underneath that, you'll see these little grommets. You want to make sure those stay in place. You have to reuse those. Those stay in the machine. After that, you grab your hardware kit that comes with the Packout mount. Comes with these 4 aluminum spacers. You want to put those right on top. Those little grommets, middle grommets there. One in each corner. Then you can take your Packout mount and gently place it on top so you don't knock over those spacers. Now here you can take your bolt and your thick washer. Put that through. Alternatively, you can use your D-rings as your washer. The D-rings start off in this direction when it's installed in the machine. What you can do is take them out, spin them around, then put your bolt through them. Get those started that way. The D-ring will kind of touch the plastic here, but not a big deal. Once you get it tightened down, it won't hit the Packout mount when it's folded over. Just do that on all 4 corners. The holes on the ends of the Packout mount are slotted, so you can make some fine tweak adjustments back and forth, and you kind of want to pull it forward as much as you can. And again, 10mm socket, and you just tighten them down. And that's basically it. Real simple installation. Thanks, guys.